We could see several inches of rain really add up, Paul, as we go into this Christmas holiday week. So, unfortunately, the rain coming at a bad time with all of the holiday travelers over the next few days. Radar showing that the steady rain is still to our north. We have a couple of light rain showers into the Santa Cruz area, also some mist into Monterey as well. So, some light rain, mist, fog, all a possibility throughout the day today. But I think the heaviest and steadiest of the rain will remain well off to our north across northern California. Our temperatures are really not moving too much, and I don't anticipate them really moving too much today. So we're at 57 in Salinas, 56 in Carmel Valley, 57 in Hollister, 59 in Watsonville, 59 in Santa Cruz, and 59 Big Sur. So only expect those high temperatures to be a few degrees warmer from where they are right now. Here's our future cast. So it's picking up on a little bit of that mist, fog, and also that light rain shower activity. And it's primarily confined to the coast. Notice farther inland into the Salinas Valley, there may not be much rain at all. It's probably going to look like it's going to rain, but I think we'll stay mainly dry for our inland locations. Here we are at 5 o'clock, just some light lingering showers along our coastal locations. High temperatures only in the low and middle 60s out there. So like I mentioned, not really much warmer from where we are right now. Watch what happens tonight, though. There's that river of moisture. It's going to sink farther south once we get past sunset, and it moves into Santa Cruz County, and it basically just continues to develop overnight with heavy rain at times. Santa Cruz, also up toward Boulder Creek, San Jose, and then down into Castroville and Aromas. We could see the rain really tally up in that location, and there could be the potential for flooding overnight into tomorrow morning. The rest of the region, we're talking about Monterey, down toward Big Sur, Salinas, and into the Salinas Valley. Some spotty showers possible overnight, but it looks like the heaviest of the rain will remain off to your north. And then as we go throughout the day on Monday, that band of heavy rain shifts back to the north of San Francisco, and we're just left with some lingering light rain showers. So how much rain are we expecting between now and tomorrow night? Well, many of us not picking up a lot. Notice that the lowest totals into the Salinas Valley, highest totals will likely be into Santa Cruz and the Santa Cruz Mountains. So we could see around 2 inches from Ben Lomond down towards Santa Cruz, and some models are indicating some isolated higher totals. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw some spots in the Santa Cruz Mountains, maybe getting 3 and 4 inches of rain through tomorrow. But let's break down the rain day by day here, because we're not going to see heavy rain all day, every day for the next 5 days. So tonight through tomorrow, the steady rain will set up tonight into tomorrow from Santa Cruz and points northward. The rest of the region will likely see just some passing light rain showers. Then we have another system. This will be more impactful. Tuesday night into Wednesday, next round of heavy rain, storms, and gusty winds. We could see widespread gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour, and those wind gusts could be 60 miles per hour, even higher right along the coastline. Keep in mind, the ground is going to be saturated. We could see trees come down, and we could see some power outages. Wednesday night into Thursday, that's Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, heavy rain, storms, gusty winds, and there will likely be travel delays. So Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, those are the 3 days that will be impacted the most in our 8-day forecast. So Salinas and Monterey, today not an impact day, just some light rain. But as we go into tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those days are going to be impact days with the heaviest rain again coming Tuesday night into Wednesday, Wednesday night into Thursday. We'll continue to keep you updated here over the next couple of days. Santa Cruz Mountains and Santa Cruz, impact day starting today. Remember, the heaviest rain will set up over you tonight into the day tomorrow. And then for King City and Hollister, we may not see much in the way of rain as we head into King City and the Salinas Valley today and tomorrow. Better chances by the middle to end